You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about this great stunning video editor called Animoto. So let's quickly jump into it. Animoto makes video creation simple with drag and drop tools, ready-made template, stock image, music, and social media friendly format. It's great for beginners, marketers, or small business who want quick, polished video without needing advanced editing skills. So talking about the pro side, it includes easy of use, browser access, quick rendering, and straightforward sharing option. However, Animoto has drawback like limited customization, outdated template, and a lack of advanced editing tools. The free plan has watermark, and the paid tiles can feel overpriced for what you get. Some users also report billing and customer support issue. So in my conclusion, Animoto is best for quick, simple video, but not ideal for those needing a professional level control. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more quick review. Thanks.